Hello, and welcome to the first part of this course. What are stocks? Before we go into the main meat on how to invest in the stock market, we need to establish what a stock is first. Stocks, also known as shares, are small parts of a company. When a private company floats on the stock market after an IPO, it's divided up into small pieces similar to a pizza. This allows the public, people like you and me, to purchase each piece, a share of the company, and become part owners. The money the company receives will be reinvested back into the business. The number of shares the company offers to the public can actually vary. However, if you were to buy 100% of the shares offered, you would actually be 100% owner of the company. Now we know what a stock is. How can the public, people like you and me, purchase these small pieces of a company? Once a company goes public, the shares are available to buy on the stock market. You can access the stock market through an online broker where you can purchase or sell stocks of your choice. The price of a stock can go up as well as down, so when making a purchase, you need to be confident that the price will go up over a period of time in order for you to make a return. You're not limited on the number of shares you can buy, as long as you have enough funds available to cover each transaction. However, to start off with, you shouldn't overexpose yourself and buy too many stocks at one go. You could buy small amounts of stocks first, then watch the stock market's performance, then make a decision whether to buy or sell your stocks moving forward. Now we've covered the basics of what stocks are, let's look at ETFs. However, before we do, let's have a quick recap on stocks first. A stock is a small piece of a company that's traded on the stock market. When you purchase a stock, you own a small part of the company. If you buy stocks in multiple companies, you own small parts of each company. So let's say you buy one Apple stock. One Apple stock costing $108. Then you were to buy a stock in Facebook for $240. Then you were to buy a stock in Disney for $120. In total, the three stocks you would have bought would have cost you $468.